Hi, this is just a quick video about my SnugTop Tonneau cover, which I purchased about a year and a half ago. I think they did a good job on the color match. I had them add rails so I could reuse an old ski rack. And it has 2 locks, so it seems pretty secure. And I kind of like how it turned out. So one of the things I like about this Tonneau cover is it's pretty thick, and it can be detached relatively simply by removing these rings. There's one on each side, and it's sort of a modified hinge or something. So it just works as a hinge most days, but when you want to remove it, you just pull on those rings. And of course you have to unlock the locks in the back as well. The cover itself is pretty heavy. It's probably at least 60 pounds, I guess. And there's 2 locks, one on each side. They're chrome. And then it came with 2 keys. Just like a 90-degree twist to unlock and then go back to lock. It sits flat. It's supposed to save about 10% on mileage on the fuel economy. You can kind of see the mechanism of the lock inside. It has shocks, or what's called air shocks, that lifts. And there's a rail that they installed on each side as well, which took a couple hours. Has a nice seal, rubber seal. And there's carpet on top. I haven't seen any modifications or changes to my paint. There's a very slight rubbing along the the clear coat, but I think it's nothing serious. So the rails are pretty good, and ski rack can support, I think altogether probably around 250 pounds, but I don't know that you'd want to do that dynamically or in motion. So I haven't really tested it yet, so that's still to be road tested. You can have a light installed as well if you want. But there it is, SnugTop. Been pretty happy with it. Easy to clean. I think the main thing is to keep it out of the sun as much as possible, and keep some wax on it. It should last a lifetime. Thanks for watching.